Tired of crickets chirping instead of cash registers ringing in your Shopify store? Then grab your pen and paper because we're diving into the essential steps from the book How to Make Ads for Shopify Products to transform your ads from flops to fantastic. First, know your audience. Who are they? What do they want? And where do they hang out online? This book helps you pinpoint the perfect customer for each platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, or even TikTok. Next, craft killer ads. The book guides you to create eye-catching images and persuasive text that stops the scroll. Think vibrant colors, problem-solving headlines, and irresistible offers. B testing is your secret weapon. This guide reveals how to test different headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience, maximizing your advertising budget. Finally, track your results like a hawk. The book shows you how to use data analytics to understand what's working and what's not so you can continuously improve your campaigns and boost your ROI. So, ditch the guesswork and start creating ads that convert. Grab How to Make Ads for Shopify Products, implement these steps, and watch your Shopify business soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. #Shopify Ads #ECOMMERCE Marketing.